When we first got it out of the box, we were like, did they send us everything? Is this it? I was actually making fun of it. It's like, it was in the winter and we just put it in my jacket. And it's like, it just went into my pocket. It's that small. So this is how it looks like. And you can actually see how small this is. Just for reference, here's my phone. You can see. This is the most exciting dental product that I have seen in a while. If I had known this would come, I would have changed a lot of the setup that I have in my lab. The Ceramix Nano 3D printer is going to revolutionize the 3D printing world. Being effective is how we can be better dentists. Being able to just deliver to your patient something on the same day with this quality, it's just amazing. We know this is just the start, and the future is going to be very exciting.